Keep it up. And now we need to fuel the dump truck. Pump. Hooray! Let's prepare a crushed stone pad for the railroad. Let's weld a crack on the dump truck. Don't stop. Let's grind the welding seam. Amazing! Look at the cloud and choose the spray gun cap of Keep It Up. Let's assemble a truck. Keep it up. Let's load the sleepers into the truck. We did it! Let's lay sleepers on a crushed stone pad. We need to fix a crack on the truck. Don't stop. Let's grind the welding seam. Ready. Choose the same color as in the cloud. Ready. Let's assemble the dracene. Don't stop. Now let's load the rails onto the dracene. Keep up the good work. Let's lay the rails and fix them. We need to wash the dracene. Hooray! Let's assemble the minecart. We did it! Now let's load the parts for the crosswalk into the minecart. Hooray! Let's install a semaphore and make a crosswalk. We need to wash the minecart. That's all. Let's assemble a pile driver. Keep up the good work. And now we need to fuel the pile driver. Press the pump. Keep it up. Let's hammer piles for the station building. We need to send the train to the depot. Move the driver's controller to the extreme position to speed up. Choose the door of the right. We need to assemble the flat car. Hooray! Let's load the boards onto the flat car. That's all. Let's make wooden decking for the platform. We need to fix a crack on the flat car. You're doing really great. Let's grind the welding seam. Ready. Look at the cloud and choose the spray. Ready. Let's assemble the open wagon. Done! Now let's load the beams for the frame into the open wagon. You're doing really great. Let's assemble the frame of the first and second floors. We need to wash the open wagon. Amazing! Let's assemble the crane with cargo bed. Don't stop! And now we need to fuel the crane with cargo bed. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's install the facade and railings on the balcony. Let's send the train to the depot. Choose the... We need to assemble the crane. Don't stop! And now we need to fuel the crane. Pump. Done! Let's complete the construction of the building. Let's send the train to the depot. Let's assemble a container car. Done! Now let's load the facade decorations into the container car. We did it! Let's